Solana Price Prediction 2024 to 2030. Hello crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, where we unravel the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the pioneering digital currency, is reaching levels not seen since November 2021. But it's not the only protagonist. Other cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, are also experiencing a significant boom. This increase in cryptocurrency prices is due to several factors. One of them is the upcoming Bitcoin halving, an event scheduled for April 2024. This event, which halves the reward miners receive for each Bitcoin block they mine, has a significant impact on Bitcoin supply. And as we know, when supply decreases and demand remains constant, prices tend to rise. And what does this mean for small investors like you? Well, it's a unique opportunity. Investing a small amount of money in cryptocurrencies now could result in a significant return in the future, especially considering the FOMO, fear of missing out, which is driving more and more people to invest in cryptocurrencies. So, if you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrencies, now could be the perfect time. But remember, as with any investment, there are always risks involved. Therefore, it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions. Solana Price Prediction. Solana is predicted to reach $250 in 2025, which means doubling our investment. In just 1 year, experts predict that in just 5 more years, Solana will reach $530. In 2030 you will have made X4 of your investment. For example, if we invest $100 today, we will have around $200 next year and $400 in 2030. But if we invest $1,000, we will have $2,000 in 2025, and in 2030 we will have $4,000. Amazing, isn't it? Imagine in 2032 what profitability you will have if some experts predict an average SOL price around $2,000. Nothing more and nothing less than AX15 of your initial investment. That translates into a return of 1,500%. Did you know that Solana is a blockchain that can process thousands of transactions per second, with a very low cost and minimal environmental impact? And that its token, Solana, has had a spectacular growth in recent years, reaching over $100 in 2023. Well, according to the predictions of some experts and algorithms, Solana could continue to rise in price in the coming years, reaching figures of up to $400 in 2030. This means that investing in Solana now could be a great opportunity for long-term profits. Want to learn more about Solana? Then keep watching this video, because I'm going to explain it all in detail. Don't miss it. Solana, a premier platform in the blockchain arena known for its rapid transaction capabilities, has witnessed a remarkable uptick over the last fortnight. In the recent 24-hour chart, the value of Solana ascended to $128 despite a minor pullback of 4%. This recent upswing follows a period of sustained growth and stability, propelling Solana above a pivotal $125 resistance threshold. A look at recent momentum. Presently, boasting a market cap of $57 billion, Solana ranks as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market valuation. Despite a slight dip in trading volume, the platform has seen over a 34% increase in the past day, totaling $3.84 million in trades. This surge in trading volume highlights the escalating interest and belief in Solana's prospects among investors. This week, Solana's valuation soared to a 22-month peak of $137 amidst a broader rebound in the cryptocurrency market. The platform's value has climbed by an impressive 25% over the last week alone, marking its highest point since April 2022. Over the preceding year, Solana's price has rocketed by an astounding 484%, showcasing its significant growth trajectory. Market dynamics and Solana's promising outlook. Solana's network vitality shines through its current total value locked, TVL, and decentralized application, DApp, activity levels. With a TVL experiencing a 30% rebound since the start of the year, Solana stands out against its rivals. This surge points to a high consumer interest in what Solana offers. The network's robustness is further highlighted by its ability to handle the trading volumes on OpenSea's NFT marketplace. Additionally, platforms like Jito and Saber are witnessing increased user interactions. These developments underscore Solana's efficiency in managing large-scale operations and maintaining user engagement without facing major hurdles. A fascinating twist to Solana's ascent involves Sam Bankman-Fried, the ex-CEO of FTX. Following a report by the New York Times, it emerged that Bankman-Fried might have played a role in Solana's positive trajectory. During his incarceration, he reportedly advised prison guards to invest in Solana, the network's native token. This anecdote adds an intriguing layer to Solana's ongoing success story, demonstrating its appeal across a broad spectrum of potential investors. Solana price forecast, eyeing the next milestones. If the current trajectory holds, Solana's price could soon edge near the $140 mark. With continued positive momentum, Solana could surge to reach $200. On the flip side, a shift in this upward trend could see it retracting to the $100 support level. This level acts as a vital safeguard against further price drops. The Chaikin Money Flow (CMF) index, with a value of 0.15, signals a positive market trend. Similarly, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) illustrates a bullish pattern. This is evidenced by its climb above the signal line and an expanding green histogram. Such indicators point to an increase in buying activities. Moreover, the Daily Relative Strength Index (RSI) is slightly above 71. This suggests a market outlook that leans more towards optimism. The positioning of the 20 Exponential Moving Average (EMA) above the 50 EMA further bolsters the expectation of forthcoming gains. This presents an optimistic forecast for Solana's market trajectory. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and price predictions of cryptocurrencies. Happy investing!